Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about certificates and degrees in electronics technology at American River College. We'll start by talking about what certificates and degrees are. Then we'll talk a little bit about why they're important, and then I'll tell you about the Certificate and Degrees Pathway tool. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about what certificates and degrees actually are. Certificates certify that you have knowledge about a particular area. They're also stepping stones to degrees. Degrees certify that you have a broader field of knowledge and some general education. So why are certificates and degrees important? Well, they demonstrate your aptitude for certain types of work. And more importantly, they help you get hired and promoted. So what certificates and degrees are available at American River College? Well, the electronics department offers many different certificates and degrees. They start off simple, but they build on each other. And the best way to explore them is really with the Certificate and Degrees Pathways tool. So let's talk about that. This is the Certificate and Degrees Pathways tool for electronics technology at American River College. Today I'll show you how to use this tool, and I'll tell you a bit about the certificates and degrees that we offer, but I'm not going to read every detail of every course that we offer because that would be too long and boring. Instead, I'll provide a link to this tool, and you can explore the certificates and degrees that interest you at your own pace. So let's start with the basic certificates. On the left, you can see that there are 6 basic certificates. Each certificate requires just 3 or 4 classes, so these basic certificates are a great way to quickly earn recognition. You can learn more about each certificate by clicking on it. Let's look at the soldering and cabling certificate. Here we can see a description of the certificate and the 4 classes that are required to earn this certificate. To return to the degrees and certificates overview, move your mouse to the right side of the page and click on the up arrow. Let's talk a bit more about the basic certificates. The 2 certificates on the left stand on their own, while the 4 on the right lead into the 4 main pathways. For instance, the Basic Electronics and Telecommunications certificate leads into the Pure Electronics pathway and the Biomedical Technology pathway. You can learn more about a pathway by clicking on it. Let's explore the Pure Electronics pathway. Here you can see that there are 4 certificates and an AS degree in the Pure Electronics pathway. The pathway starts with the Basic Electronics and Telecommunications certificate, and the certificates build on each other. Let's look at the Basic Electronics and Telecommunications certificate. You can see that you must take 3 classes to earn this certificate, ET302 and 2 of the 3 classes listed below. Now let's see how this certificate prepares you for the rest of the pathway. Let's look at how the Advanced Electronics and Telecommunications certificate builds on the Basic certificate. Here you can see that to earn this advanced certificate, you need to take all 4 classes that were listed on the basic certificate and 1 more from the list on the right. So you can earn the advanced certificate by taking just 2 more classes after the basic certificate. After earning the advanced certificate, you can take just a few more classes to earn the telecommunications specialist certificate or the electronic systems technology certificate. The latter prepares you for the AS degree in electronic systems technology. So let's take a look at that. You can see that this degree is just the Electronic Systems Technology certificate plus the general education that ARC requires for all associate degrees. So that's a quick introduction to the Pure Electronics pathway. You can start with the basic certificate and build all the way up to the AS degree while learning other certificates along the way. We have now briefly explored the Pure Electronics pathway. You can use the Certificate and Degree Pathways tool to dive in and learn about the other pathways that we offer. You can also learn more details, including career prospects and student learning outcomes, by visiting our website. You can get there by clicking on the green circle on the right.